Guys, we're gonna do something on the T-bar that's never been done before. That thing was terrible last time.
I've never ridden that. Oh, keep going. I can't breathe.
What up, Team Buckhouse? The conditions are a little challenging. It has melted so much at Breck, so much so they moved their closing day up by 2 days. All right, Michael said he wanted to go to the top, which is fine because the side hits are kind of beat up. So let's go see what else we can get into. We got the dock today, guys.
We're going to the top.
To the top. Guys, we're gonna do something on the T-bar that's never been done before. And that's today's sticker shout out. We got Roman Blevins, sick name by the way, with the white Evolution sticker and the Colorado Evolution sticker on the snowboard and helmet. Looking insane, man. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. As well as we got Alex C with the gold sticker on the helmet. Dude, thank you so much for snagging the merch, supporting the channel. Guys, if you want an Evolution sticker or any of the merch, the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, they're all linked in the description. And if you do snag any merch, make sure you tag me on my Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow the Instagram for bonus extra content. You know we're ripping with the ski dock, still out here snowboarding, and all a bunch of other snowboard updates, real-time updates by following Instagram, as well as just the bonus extra content. So follow Instagram for all the bonus extra stuff. And we have successfully did a lot of stuff on the T-bar, which is a lot. You ever rode T-bar? It's a little tricky to take your hand out, take your gloves off, and pull your phone out and stuff. So let's go. Smash a like for T-bar shout out. Michael right behind us, we're crushing it. Yeah, I have no idea what's open up here and what we're getting into, but I do know that the bottom was just so melted out and the side hits were not as sick as they once were. So why not explore? Let's see what else this mountain has for us to discover. At the snake run, I kind of tweaked my thigh. Not gonna lie, my back thigh did not feel great. So we're gonna follow the ski dock through this thing. And, you know it's a ski dock because of the sticker. I've been living here too long. It's time to move on to keep me strong. Black denim cover my skin. Every part of me is fighting to win. Sin City, waiting for me. Around the corner, I'm aching to be. Double trouble, my new middle name. Next time you see me, I won't be the same. It's time for me to come alive. It's time for me to stand and strive. That thing was terrible last time.
I've never ridden a little snow snake so perfect in my life. It was like slushy. And like,
Dude, that's so good.
That was awesome.
We gotta do that again. But this time you film me.
Hey, it's not done yet.
Yeah, it's still going.
I'm done though. Holy cow.
Their work, dude. They're pumping and this. I lost control, but the best when you're filming it and you lose it, you can just cut and still film the rider while they're in it. Alright guys, we got Adam and he is the designer of the snake run.
Yeah,
I got a question for you. How do you start a snake run?
You just, me and my buddy Breck Butcher over here, lap the same exact run over and over and over and over and over. I've taken probably 150, 160 runs down this thing.
Boom. Well,
And,
we appreciate
yeah,
it.
yeah.
It's sick this year.
Yeah, we're pumped.
Sorry I
Glad
ragged
everyone's
on
enjoying
last year's, the one on Peak 6.
That's okay, that's okay, you know. It was our first year doing it, so
yeah,
this
you
year,
got better. And next year will be even
It'll
better.
even better, you know?
And better. So come rip it.
Yeah, for sure. Everyone get out there.
Because the more people riding it, the better it gets.
Exactly.
Oh, you almost went off the edge. Not to toot my own horn, but I filmed that perfect. Dude, you were going so fast.
I can't breathe.
Alright guys, this one's Chipmunk. We're riding from all the way up the top of Imperial, all the way to the bottom. We might catch our breath at some point, but here we go.
down. Oh, keep going.
Oh, you got wrecked by those bushes.
Stop.
That went right in my mouth.
Oh, that's enough. Holy smoke.
I have never had snow forcefully thrown down my throat like that before. I thought I was drowning. Yeah, dude.
How we doing?
He watches every video.
Every video.
And if you're not watching every videos, you got to get on Rob's level.
Have to.
Let's go.
It's a done deal, baby.
Let's go.
Yeah. He stuck it.
Kind of. The landing's so hard. Oh man, what a sick day. Yeah, it was hard not to revert that 3. Rob, dude, it was sick.
Oh yeah, dude.
Boom. Thanks for watching my video. What's your name?
Yeah.
Davina, nice to meet you.
I learned how to do my feet and slap.
No way, let's go. We gotta get water before we even try to get to the car. We might die. No, they'll do good. Because you only do them in the springtime, which is like the best time for snowboarding, I think. I don't know whose snowboard this is, but they're supporting everyone. Let's go.
Checking out my board.
I gotta get you a new monkey.
Yeah.
We lost a head. Best part of the day, because it wasn't like this last week, it wasn't running.
Check this out.
You got the escalator. Oh, did you grinding that?
No, it's just the perfect time to close the bindings up.
Close the bindings. I thought that was like a new way to wax your board or something on the belt.
Try that out.
All right, guys, today was sick. Other than tweaking my thigh, I got to go home and roll that and do a bunch of stuff to make it feel better. Because sadly, I'm getting a little older. But I'm building a gym this summer. I got a lot of the stuff for the gym that has come in, and like I'll make a whole video on that like project. But having a space for recovery is going to be so sick and so crucial to doing this long term. Like, dude, we're not going anywhere anytime soon. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new. My goal is to help you guys become the best snowboarders possible, but also show you guys what you can do this late in the year. And I don't focus too much this late in the year on like how-to videos and things like that, just because they get like 0 views. We'll save a lot of that for next season. But I do this series through the summer where I'll take a single clip and we'll break it down super in-depthly. And some people get a lot out of that, which is cool. But yeah, the summer content's different, but it's still sick. And then of course the winter content, we charge, go to a bunch of new resorts. I help you guys become better snowboarders, and it's super sick. Big shout out to Michael, the ski doc, for ripping today, having fun today. He's kind of working, kind of not working. Just give him a call, see what mood he's in. And he might tune you up, depending on where you're at. If you're in Colorado, hit up the doc.
Definitely next season.
Yeah, and then next season, hit him up if you want the best tune in the game. But with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliff hang.